Hello. Today I have got an Amazon review. This was sent to me from the company free of charge for an honest review. And what this is something that I've not seen. But this is a 4-pack surprise pendant set. Okay. Now, I've seen and I've unboxed and I've purchased the like the 12-pack and the 10-pack of diamond painting mystery kits that you don't know what you're going to get until you get it and you open it. So this is sort of on the same line as that, except for these are pendants instead of just the diamond painting canvases. So I have no clue what they are. I have not opened this except for to take it out of the Amazon packaging. So I'm going to leave a link in my description box for y'all to check this out. This is the company. If you can see that name right there, that is the company. And before I do these reviews, I always go on their sites, whether it's a website or just an Amazon store, and I check and see what they carry. Because some companies just have like everything, from crafts to car parts. You know what I'm saying? This company is actually a diamond painting company on Amazon, and they carry quite a few things. But when I seen this, I thought, this is really different because, like I said, I've never seen a off-canvas project that came as a mystery type package. So they have got these are 4-packs. They've also got the 10-packs of diamond paintings and a 12-pack of diamond paintings. That's a mystery that, you have no idea what it's going to be until you get it, you open it, and they're mostly, I think, landscapes is what it said, or scenery, something like that. But anyway, it is fun. It's fun to do that. And if you get something that you've had in the past, give it away as a gift. Don't get mad. That's the whole thing about these mystery kits. You have no idea what you're going to get. But they have got a large sale going on right now on their Amazon store. Not everything is for sale, but a lot of it is. And I seen from 5% off on some items all the way up to 43% off of certain things. So, you can't beat it. I seen stuff on there for like $3. So, it's a great deal. Y'all need to go check this out. Like I said, I'll leave a link to these in my description box. Y'all go check it out. So, we're going to flip these over and see what we got. Oh, wow. See, I don't have any of these. So, I've got a bat. And then we've got a hummingbird. We've got some sunflowers. And then we've got a couple cardinals. These are really cute. I'm really impressed with this. So what these are, they are pendants that you hang. You can hang these in the window. You can hang them on the wall, whatever. So each one of these kits comes with the crystals. Each kit is going to come with the standard toolkit, which is a green boat, square of wax, and a pink single placer pen. And then you're going to get the chain that you use to hang this up with. So it's got these little clamps. And when you get done, there's a hole right there, and then there's one on this side. Alright, what am I doing here? There. So, you're going to hang these. I get my hands to work. Oh my goodness, I can't get a hold of it. Alright. So, these are just going to hang. You can hang these on your doorknob. You can hang it in a window. Like I said, on your wall somewhere. Outside, on your door. Whatever. Wherever you want to put it there. So, these are one-sided. They are acrylic. They've got a plastic covering on it that you're going to pull down. And this is where the sticky is. And you're going to take your crystals. Let's see. We'll look at them. Alright. So here's all your crystals that goes to the hummingbird. And they're all going to be marked 1, 2, 3, let's see. We're going to go all the way to 8, and then we go to letters. We've got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, no I, and then we've got a J and a K. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your first bag, which is bag 1. You're going to peel this back. If I can get a hold of it again. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then everywhere that you see the number 1, right here, you're going to put one of these on there. And how you do that is you're going to take your pen, your boat, and your wax. Now, this piece of wax has got a plastic covering on both sides. So make sure that if you're new to this, that you pull that covering back so that you can get actually to the wax. And then you're just going to take your pen, which is hollow at one end, and you're just going to stick it in that wax and kind of twist it a little bit. And then that wax is going to come out into the pen tip. See? Alright, then you're going to open your bag of drills. You're going to pour them in your boat. You're going to shake it a little bit. And it's going to line up. They're going to flip over to where the top is on the top. Because this boat has got ridges in it. I don't know if you can see that or not. But they're going to line up. And then you're just going to touch the top of your pen to the top of the crystal. And then you're going to come over here. And you're just going to set the crystal down over the number or the letter. Because like I said, this is glue. So it's going to hold those crystals. And then when you get done, your picture will be, you know, all full of your crystals. And in the areas, like these clear areas, you won't put any diamonds on there. It's not even sticky there. So that's how you're going to go about doing this. Alright? So there is how you do this. And I will show you the drills. Now, I'm not going to go in depth with all of these because I just showed you, you know, the process. So we've got some different shapes right here. Really pretty. Alright, so we will sit this over there. And then let's look at another one. And again, like I said, I'm really impressed with this company. And I like the whole idea of this being a mystery. I mean, it's just neat. It's just a real neat thing. And you've got a, this has got a cover on the back also. So when you get done diamond painting, you can pull this plastic off. Because all it is, it's just a protective sheet so that it doesn't get scratched in shipping. You know, because this might scratch the acrylic. So they just put a covering on there so that it keeps from getting scratched. And if you are a seasoned diamond painter, you know that sometimes if this is going to be handled a lot, put outside, or you know, whatever, a lot of us will seal these. And I was talking to a friend, and she said that before she takes this back cover off, she goes ahead and seals the front, and then she takes the cover off, because that way if she gets any of the sealer, if it, you know, drips or something, it won't get on the back of the acrylic. It'll just get on this piece of plastic, and then, you know, you can just peel it off when you're done. So that was a good tip. So I hadn't thought of that. I always just peel these off. All right, so we'll look at these drills real quick, and then we'll go through these other two real quick. Again, I will leave the link in my description box for y'all to see. Y'all go check this company out. Make sure you grab some of the sales that they've got going on, because they've got some really cute stuff. And they've got stuff from these pendants, and they've got them to where you can pick them out too. I mean, you don't have to get the mystery pack. I like doing it because I just think it's fun. I like to be surprised sometimes, you know. So yeah. So there's that one. Now I'm making a mess over here. Alright. They have got, let's see, what else did they have? They had on canvas, off canvas. They've got full drill. They got partial drill. They've got eyeglass cases. They've got coasters. They've got, you name it, they got it. They've got a pretty good store. And you can see that it's really clear. So you shouldn't have any issues trying to, you know, see what you're doing. We'll look at these real quick. And the drills to me look pretty good. Y'all been doing this since 2019. So I'm pretty knowledgeable. There's always room to grow though. I don't know everything, but I'm pretty knowledgeable. Those are pretty. So, like I said, the drills look really good. I don't see any issues with that. The only thing that I would say would be, now I'm sure at a process of elimination, you could figure out what drills go with which one, but I think I would keep them in the bags until you're actually ready to do it, and then I would do one at a time so you don't get your bags of drills mixed up, because you really have no idea which bag goes to which kit. So, I mean, if you were to mix them up, I mean, it'd be a pain in the butt, but I'm sure you could figure it out. So here's the cardinals. Got a male and a female. Real cute. So yeah, when I went on their website, or well, when I went to the Amazon store, because what I did was when they told me that they would send me this, because I told them I'd never seen a 4-pack of mystery pendants before. I just thought that was pretty cool. And they said that they were going to send them to me. I went on their actual Amazon store, and I was kind of looking around to see, you know, kind of what their pricing was, and, you know, make sure they didn't have car parts and stuff on their website, or on their store, which they don't. It's like I said, it is a diamond painting store. So well, I really liked what they had, okay, because they had a lot of really pretty stuff, and they had a lot of stuff that I had not seen before. So, all right. So that is my review for these. Again, these are a mystery 4-pack. You don't know what you're going to get. You just know that you're getting 4 pendant wall hangings, but you got no clue what it is. So I like it. I don't have these. This is really neat for me. And like I said, they have other things. So, and they have these to where you can buy them separately. You don't have to get the 4-pack. If you just seen this and you liked this, they've got it to where you can buy it separately. Okay. So, all right. I hope you enjoyed this review. Link will be in my description box, and I appreciate you watching.